Hi there. Today I wanted to share how to make potato chip cookies. This is a recipe I got from my Aunt Robin, who's been making these cookies for years. What you'll need is flour, I use bleached, sugar, vanilla extract, 4 sticks of butter, a bag of potato chips, and a large bowl for mixing. Also some measuring cups and a teaspoon. This recipe calls for 3½ cups of flour, add 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. Here you go.
Of course, your little ones can help you with the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 4 sticks of softened butter. My little guy took a break to play with his cardboard box. I switched bags because the Wise chips I had, when I opened them, they looked too brown, so I had my husband run out and get me some Lay's. They're perfect, just make sure they're plain and not the ripple kind. I begin crushing them up when they're still in the bag a little bit. Then I pour a bunch into the measuring cup and crush them even more. I think my aunt's recipe originally called for 1½ cups of crushed up chips, but I use about 2½ cups. I like a lot of them. Whatever amount you choose, whether it be 1½ to 2½ cups, just make sure they're crushed up nice and fine. To make things easier, you can mix the sugar, vanilla, and butter together first, and then add the flour and chips a little at a time. But I just throw it all in and squeeze. Continue to mix and blend everything together as best as you can. If your kids are old enough to help, they'll love this part, but the hands will get a little bit messy. I mold the dough into a large ball, and using a spoon, make little balls and place them onto a cookie sheet. Now take a fork and press down on each cookie twice, making a crisscross pattern. You should be able to fit a dozen cookies on each cookie sheet. Preheat the oven at 350, and when it's ready, place the cookies in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes. I like to check the cookies at around 10 to 12 minutes just to make sure they're not getting done too fast. You'll know they're done when they have nice golden brown edges. Now place them on a wire rack to cool. Now they're ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. Bye!